Welcome back, guys. Check this out. We have an exclusive. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Share. Definitely share. You guys are going to like this. All right. What we have in store for you today is we found the Bee-Hive, an enormous Bee-Hive today. Well, yesterday. And we called the guy that collects them, makes honey, has a little farm. And today he is going to take them down. Let me show you guys. There you go. That's the Bee-Hive. That's the Bee-Hive. Oh, está loco. Está loco tipo. Ah, you took him down easy. Well, that was easy.
Oh, yeah, quedaron, miraste cuando él lo cogió y todo.
Yeah.
Ah, qué bien, estuvo perfecto. Ya.
No me mire.
No me mire.
Ya los cogió,
¿Ve?
Ah.
So that was easy. Please like, share, subscribe. We made a big deal out of nothing. Peace.